Well, today was the first day trading NQ. I had said in yesterday's video that I would have a $500 a day profit target. However, I've decided today that if on any given trade I'm within 25% of that, I'm calling it day done. So today was a $400 day. It was a green day. It was 20 points, one contract, 3 trades. And I recorded 2 of them. One of them I didn't record just because I forgot to turn it on, and it wasn't nothing anyway. It was like 3 points. It wasn't much to it. So, uh, yeah, I think this is going to work out. I'm trading really conservative right now until I get used to it. I changed my mind a lot about the time frame to use. After I got done trading the combine yesterday, I got on the simulator, the practice account that TopStep gives you, and I continued trading the rest of the day. And I determined through my trading that I'm going to have to go to a longer time frame to have such a big stop loss, because I crashed it twice on the 2-minute chart during the practice. So I went to a 10-minute chart today, and I got my eye on the 30-minute and the 15-minute all the time, and I also got my eye on got a chart set up as a show often of the big seven, as a group moving together, and they kind of dumped this morning, and I caught a short ride down, and I got involved in the parabolic news dump move. I didn't make a whole lot on that. I think it was 3 points on that. It just got wonky. I got out real quick, so it wasn't a big deal. But the last trade where the most of it come in was on my last trade. So I got it all. I got that one recorded, or at least most of it. I forgot I turned it on a little late, but I did catch. You get to catch the ride down on it. And so I hope you enjoy this. If you want to check out TopStep, quit risking your money, risk theirs. Go through the combine, qualify, and who knows? You could be trading their money instead of yours, and it's a pretty good deal. I have my affiliate link below. I appreciate it if you use it. I appreciate it if you would smash that like button, leave a comment, and I hope you guys had a good trading day today. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, it is before 7 a.m. or right at 7 a.m., somewhere around there. I don't remember what time. And I'm doing my morning look over what happened overnight, and we see that the NQ was range bound overnight, and I didn't anticipate a whole lot until after the market opened. One thing I didn't notice until doing this voiceover for this recording is that I was on the wrong contract. I was looking at the MNQ chart and trading the NQ. Big mistake there. Even though they're similar, they're 2 different contracts, and you should never do that. So don't do that. Fortunately, it worked out. But that's a note to self. Don't ever do that again. You got to be on the same contract. There's going to be some variations between the two. Even though they track each other, or the MNQ tracks the NQ, I have seen it back when I was Theo Trade during COVID trading. I have seen pretty big differences happen between the 2 contracts. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you're going to trade the NQ, you need to be looking at an NQ chart, not an MNQ chart. And that's not what I did. So we're coming up. We're getting ready for the news dump coming up, and I'm going to try and get in that with a NQ contract. This is a 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time news dump that I like to trade. If you've seen my other videos, throw a contract. I have a real tight stop on this one, a 10-point stop. I named my contract parabolic. I'm looking there at the bottom there, and I'm seeing that everything's mashed up against the 0 line. It's just not looking good. to do anything in the morning except for this news dump that's coming up. At least here I'm looking at the right chart. This is my 15 and 30 minute charts. And I'm just kind of examining them to see what it's looking like there. You can see on my chart here, I think I have the 8-minute chart going right now. I switch over to the 10. So I don't know. I don't remember. It's trading below my 100 DEMA. So that tells me that it's just trading down. It's downtrend right now. Just watch how fast this moves. It's crazy how fast these news dumps move. Look at that. It's just crazy. I got out because it was getting wonky on me. It didn't just keep running. I like to see him just keep running. I didn't catch the downside. I was thinking, this thing's going to go all the way back down, and you'll see that in just a minute. It does go all the way back down. So there I go, analyzing it right and not putting on the trade. And the reason why I thought that is just because of how this stalled out like it did. It hit you notice on the green line on the left-hand chart, that's the value area extreme. It went up and tagged it, and then it's coming back down. So it's something, note to itself in the future. When it's doing this, it might be a good time to go short. All right, this is my last trade of the day. I turned the recording on late, but here it goes. So it's already hit my 10 points. I had a 50-point stop. Once it gets 10 points in the money, it pulled me. It pulled me in, and we have a 20-point trail going right now. That red line at the bottom was the overnight low. I was anticipating it going there, but I pulled my stop in just in case. I ended up pulling it in a little bit. But this is the trade that got me day done right here. There I am. I'm day done. I said in the last video that $500 was my profit target. However, I got to thinking and listening to some wisdom last night, and I decided if on any given trade I'm within 25% of my profit target, I'm taking it and calling it day done. All you need is 5 days stitched together. They don't have to be consecutive, but you need 5 $200 days with TopStep to be able to request a payment or withdrawal. Now, your $100 days and all that, you still get to withdraw all that, but you have to have 200.